3 phases ready for track, 2 more lined up to build, and 1 big chance to push up our totalizer. It's the Reunification project Money Match March for 2023. We want to build the 2 parts of the Factory Flyover later this year, and the good news is we've already raised about half of the money we need. We're on a roll with construction and we want to keep up the momentum. That's where Money Match March comes in. In March 2023, up to the Easter weekend in April, every pound you give will be matched by a donor up to £150,000. When we start building the 2 pieces of the Factory Flyover, we'll only be able to go as far as funds allow. Money Match March is crucial for us to make good progress. However you make your donation, online, by a cheque in the post, by regular standing order, by text message or in person, your donation will be matched. Money Match March is here, so if you want to see reunification happen, please join in and help us grow again in 2023. Thank you for your support. You're making this project happen.